Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my friends and my family, step right up to the greatest show on earth. Well, maybe not the greatest show, but it's a show. Hey y'all, Zed's here. Welcome to Rec and Reading. From the Daly City Department of Library and Recreation Services bring you on an adventure. Join us as some of your favorite librarians and Rec and crew bring you virtual story times, projects, activities, crafts, recipes, and other fun things related to our theme. This week's theme is Summer Carnival. Hey, why did the clown go to the doctor? Because he was feeling a little funny. Honk, honk. Boo. All right, let's step right up here for a big top adventure.
It's Miss Sarah from the Daly City Public Library. Thanks for joining us for Rec and Reading. Week number 9 is Summer Carnival. So today we're going to be reading If You Ever Want to Bring a Circus to the Library, Don't. This is by Elise Parsley and it's with permission from Little Brown Books for Young Readers. If you see a poster that says, "You can do anything at the library," it means you can sit and read a book and use your imagination. It does not mean you can bring in a whole circus. If you set up your circus anyway, the librarian will remind you, don't let it get too noisy. You'll tell him that it's okay and that you know all the library rules. This circus will be safe and fun and you'll only use your inside voice, cross your heart. You'll start by wowing the crowd as an acrobat. You'll leap and twirl and balance on one foot. Then you'll do it again, only this time on a high wire. You'll leap and twirl and, oh no, you'll tell the audience to please hold their applause because you can do anything in the library except clap. Next up, your clown act. You'll ask for a volunteer from the audience to smash a pie in your face. You'll give your silliest look and she'll wind up. That's when you'll surprise her with your spare. You'll have to remind the audience not to cheer. This is a library after all, and you can do anything at the library except clap and cheer. At intermission, you'll hand out concessions. Peanuts, popcorn, egg and cheese sandwiches. Only get this, it turns out you can do anything at the library except clap and cheer and hand out concessions. No food or drink. All right, you didn't want to do this, but you'll have no choice. You have to get to dazzle this crowd and you'll do it as the amazing human cannonball. You clip on your helmet and warn everyone to stay back. Then you'll count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just so you know, if your cannon is a dud, you'll hear a kid say, "Boo!" You'll start to shush him because you can do anything at the library except boo, 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 boo. By now, of course, you'll wish you were sitting and reading and using your imagination instead of leading a circus. By now, you'd rather be scraping gum off some chairs than leading a circus. You will have to think of something quick before the crowd yells for you to just go home. Well, here's what I would do if I were you. Look for a way to distract them. The 3 little billy goats gruff. You'll read about the 3 billy goats and the booing will stop. You'll read about the hungry old troll and the smiling will start. You'll begin shouting, "Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge?" And ba-boom, ba! Ah! Bam! Yay! Shh! That's when you'll know it's time to take your show on the road. Yeah, if you ever want to bring a circus to the library, don't. It's way too noisy. The end.
Hi Rick and Reading, my name is Cherry and today we're going to be making an accordion clown inspired by this week's theme, Summer Carnival. For your supplies today, all you'll need is glue, a pair of scissors, some crayons, and a template that you'll find in the description. First, you're going to color your template. Then you're going to cut it out. After that, you're going to fold the body and the arms accordion style. Now you're going to glue all of your parts to the body. And that's how you make your accordion clown. Thanks for watching.
So now we're gonna sing a song. So I brought some scarves today, but if you have like a small towel or a piece of fabric that you can use at home, you can do this with me. So it's going to be, it's called popcorn kernels. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna take our scarves or our piece of fabric or our towels, and it goes like this. Popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. We'll do that one more time so you can get it, and you're gonna put it really close up into your hand like a little ball. So it goes popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! Good job.
Hello Daly City Rec and Reading, my name is Jessica and tonight we are gonna play Scribblio. If you guys have never played this, it's basically a drawing game, it's free. I think it can play up to 10 to 12 people in a group, and you can even, as you can see here, you can even have your own set of words if you have a lot. So yeah, the way this works is you just go to your internet browser and you type scribble.io, and you can join random lobbies or you can start your own private lobby and invite your different friends to join it. So like as you can see here, there's a place that says hover over to see the link, or you can just copy it and send it to them. And so the way it works is there can be multiple rounds. You're gonna have a certain amount of seconds to draw. If you are the drawer, you get a choice of 3 different words to draw. You pick one of those 3 and you do your best to draw out what that word is. The only rules are that you cannot say exactly what it is if you're like in a Zoom call, and you cannot write out the word. And yeah, if you're not the drawer, all you're going to be doing is guessing. At the top there's going to be a certain number of letters that show you how many there are in the word as a hint, and as time goes by the game will start adding in certain letters to help you figure it out. And yeah, that's how the game works, so you just draw and you guess. So hope you guys have fun!
Hey Rick and Reading, it's me Zetz, and for this week's Summer Carnival I have a special guest. It's Miss Sarah and Alex.
Hi!
So for today's special, we are going to be making a watermelon lemonade, and then, just like you would have at the carnival, funnel cakes with our own homemade strawberry topping. Let's make a mess. So what's a summer carnival without summer treats? We're having a watermelon summer here, and we're going to be making a delicious watermelon lemonade. For the watermelon lemonade, you'll just need a watermelon, lemons, and some simple syrup to sweeten it up if you want it nice and sweet. Then we're going to be making our own funnel cakes. You will need 1 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup milk, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1/2 cup salt, oh not cup, half teaspoon, and then 3/4 of a teaspoon baking powder. For our fruit topping, you'll need some fresh strawberries, some lemon, some sugar, and maybe a little vanilla if you want it. That's optional. Will I spill? Oh my God. Let's make a mess. Step 1, you're gonna press, not really hard, but a little hard on the lemon, all right? Step 2, you're gonna take your knife, you're gonna build a bridge. This is a bridge, this is a tiger claw. You're gonna build a bridge, you're gonna put the knife in between, you're gonna push down and back. We're gonna get the zest of 1 lemon, and then the juice of 1 lemon. So this is cornstarch and water. Cornstarch naturally makes things thick. You ready to pour it in?
Yeah.
Go for it. 1, 2, 3, pour. Good. We're going to do 7 of these.
7.
Perfect. Then you're going to add this in. That's the sugar.
4.
Give it a stir with the whisk. Then you're going to add this in. That's the baking powder.
4.
Good. Then you're going to add this in. This is the salt.
4.
Good. That's good. Now you're going to set it aside. In this bowl, we're going to do our wet ingredients. So we're going to add our 3/4 of a cup of milk. Oh, good job. And then that's going in there.
What's that?
Vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of these. We're just going to pour it right in there and over and dump it in. Ready? Now you're going to take this whisk, you're going to give it a nice beat. But we're going to try to keep it in here though. We can't get to 360 because this goes to 350 or 400. So we're going to go to 350.
Okay.
If it's any higher than 360, you run the risk of burning it. If it's lower than that, it becomes kind of greasy and oily and takes longer to cut. So for safety reasons, this is the part where you should have a grown-up leading this portion of the project, at least supervising. We have put our funnel cake mixture into a plastic piping bag. We're gonna cut off the tip. We brought our oil to about 350 degrees. 360 is preferred, but my cooktop only has a setting for 350 or 400, not in between. You're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna take it, drop it in. It's gonna drop down and then float up, and you just kind of make a nice circular shape. And that's it. It's gonna drop down the bottom of the way. Alright, Reckon Readers, this is our Summer Carnival treat. We got our watermelon lemonade. Oh, that's really refreshing. It's so refreshing. And we made funnel cakes with our own strawberry jam. I got chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and sprinkles. What do you have?
I have strawberries.
And what do you have, Miss Sarah?
I have the strawberry jam and whipped cream and sprinkles.
Well, let's take a taste. Let's see how we did. Oh, that's so good. That's carnival right there. That just reminds me of every carnival I've ever been to. That's really good. All right, everybody, that's it for now. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun. Well, that wraps up this adventure for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Special thanks to our librarians, Wrecking Crew, and special guests who joined us on this adventure. If you try any of these projects, make sure to share and tag us on Instagram so we can see all the goodness. Now, do us a favor, if you've not already subscribed, please make sure to do so. Then like and share this video with all your friends and your family. Now, that's it for now. Make sure to stay safe and